An instant impact player. Everywhere Jason Kidd landed, he quickly made his presence felt, and winning usually followed. Sure, Kidd will be remembered for his magical court vision and lethal three-point shooting. However, you need to go beyond the numbers to truly comprehend how valuable Kidd was during his 19-year NBA career. Kidd was a natural-born leader. No better example than in 2008, winning his second gold medal and helping Team USA bounce back from a disappointing showing in the prior Olympics. He was also responsible for turning around an organization that knew very little about success. Kidd was sent to the Nets in the summer of 2001 and proceeded to lead New Jersey to back-to-back NBA Finals appearances. In the process of transforming the culture in the Meadowlands, he finished second in MVP voting during his first season as a Net, making the franchise relevant for the first time since Dr. J during the team's ABA days. In 2011, Kidd became a bridesmaid no more.
The Kidd. Clock ticking down, 6 to shoot. Here's Kidd, 5 to shoot. To the cutting dirt, down the lane. Yes, there it is!
Earning a championship with the Dallas Mavericks. Another in a long line of great Northern California point guards, it was only a matter of time before Kidd would become the second overall draft pick in 1994 and a staple among the league's elite. What couldn't have been predicted was Kidd turning into a three-point threat. Now he stands with the third most triples made in NBA history. Kidd only trails John Stockton for most career assists and steals. He was Mr. Triple-Double of his generation, recording 107 in the regular season, good for third most. And only Magic Johnson has posted more playoff triple-doubles than Kidd. However, what no one has ever done except Kidd is to score 15,000 points, hand out 10,000 assists, and pull down 7,000 rebounds. From National High School Basketball Player of the Year to College All-American, Kidd made 10 NBA All-Star teams, and now is headed to Springfield. It's only fitting that Kidd retires the same year as Grant Hill, the man he shared Rookie of the Year honors with in 1995.